Hi friends, welcome back to Learn from Scratch. So today we are going to solve some more different type of problems on profit and loss. Let's begin with this question. Here a shopkeeper sold two TV sets at rupees 9,900 each. He sold one at a profit of 10% and the other at a loss of 10%. On the whole, find the profit or loss percentage. So for first TV, the selling price is 9,900 and the profit percentage is 10%. So to find the cost price, we can use the formula CP is equals to 100 by 100 plus profit percentage into selling price. So cost price is equals to 100 by 100 plus 10 into 9,900. So after solving this, we will get the cost price of the first TV as 9,000. So for second TV, the selling price is same here. Selling price is 9,900 and loss percentage is 10. So using the formula cost price is equals to 100 by 100 minus loss percentage into selling price. So cost price is equals to 100 by 100 minus 10 into 9,900. So after solving this, we will get the cost price as 11,000. So totally the cost price of 2 TVs is 11,000 plus 9,000. So that is equals to 20,000. So he sold each TV at 9,900. So the selling price of 2 TVs will be 19,800. So totally he is getting 200 rupees profit. So profit percentage is equals to profit by CP into 100. So 200 by 20,000 into 100 is equals to 1%. So overall he is getting 1% profit. Here, Gopi sold a watch to Ibrahim at 12% gain and Ibrahim sold it to John at a loss of 5%. If John paid rupees 1300, then find how much did Gopi sold it. So here for Ibrahim, the selling price is 1330 as John paid rupees 1330 and the last percentage is 5 as they given. So to find the cost price, the formula is 100 by 100 minus last percentage into selling price. So cost price for Ibrahim is 100 by 100 minus 5 into 1330. So the cost price for Ibrahim is 1400. So we have to find the how much did Gopi sold it. So the selling price of Gopi here is equals to cost price for Ibrahim. So Gopi sold it at 1400 rupees. Profit end after selling a wristwatch for rupees 5,765 is same as loss incurred after selling the wristwatch for rupees 4,315. What is the cost price of the wristwatch and what should be the selling price to get 30% profit? So here the profit end after selling it at 5,765 and loss after selling it at 4,315 is equal. So to get the cost price, we have to add both these and divided by 2, then we'll get the cost price. So cost price is 5,765 plus 4,315 divided by 2, which is equals to 5,040. So here cost price is 5,040. To get him 30% profit, so the selling price should be 100 plus profit percentage by 100 into cost price, so that we can get the selling price. So 100 plus 30 by 100 into 5,040. So selling price should be 6,552 to get 30% profit. If the selling price of 9 fans is same as the cost price of 11 fans, find the gain or loss percentage. So here let the cost price of 1 fan be X, then the cost price of 9 fans will be 9X. So the selling price of 9 fans will be 11X as the selling price of 9 fans is equals to cost price of 11 fans. So here gain is 11X minus 9X is equals to, so 2X. 2X is the gain. So to find the gain percentage, we have the formula profit by cost price into 100. So 2X by, here the cost price of 9 fans is 9X into 100. So after cancelling and solving, we'll get the answer as gain percentage equals to 22.22%. Naveen purchased a gas cylinder and a stove for rupees 4,500. He sold the gas cylinder at a gain of 25% and the stove at a loss of 20%, still gaining 4% on the whole. Find the cost of the gas cylinder. So here let us assume that the cost of gas cylinder be X. If the cost of gas cylinder is X, then the cost of stove will be 4,500 minus 6. So for selling, here he is selling the cylinder at 25% profit. So to get the selling price, we have the formula 100 plus profit percentage by 100 into cost price. So 100 plus 25, 125 by 100 into CP, that is 125 by 100 into X, plus similarly here he sold stove at loss of 20%. So the selling price is 80 by 100 into cost price, that is 80 by 100 into 4,500 minus 6 is equals to, on the whole he is getting 4% profit. So 104 by 100 into 4,500. So after solving this, we will get 125x plus 800, 80 into 4,500 minus 80x by 100 is equals to 4,680. After solving this, we will get the value of x is equals to 2,400. So 2,400 is the cost price of the gas cylinder. Vikas purchased 5 bananas for rupees 4 and sold 4 bananas for rupees 5. Find his profit percentage. So he purchased 5 bananas for rupees 4. Then the cost price of 1 banana will be 4 by 5. And the cost price of 4 bananas will be 4 into 4 by 5, that is 16 by 5. Here he sold 4 bananas for rupees 5. The selling price of 4 bananas is 5. So here profit is 5 minus 16 by 5, which is equals to 9 by 5. Here 9 by 5 is profit. So to find the profit percentage is equals to P by, that is profit by cost price into 100. That is 9 by 5 by 16 by 5 into 100, which is equals to 900 by 16 is equals to 56.25%. The profit he earned.